Get acquainted with the 2022 Chevrolet Malibu. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Malibu, the sophisticated four-door midsize that blends luxury and efficiency with safety and sporty handling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, backup camera, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Your family deserves security and comfort. You deserve to have some fun. Test drive the Malibu.